Hello children, this is Sima Singh again with the same lesson, the North Wind. Actually, we have already completed the lesson, but to make the concept more clearly, I will explain you in short with the help of flowchart. So, here you can see the flowchart. The boy is the main character in this story. He was carrying a bag of flour. I told you he was carrying a bag of flour. So, North Wind was blowing very fast and he played mischief with the boy and he blew the bag away. Okay, the boy said he didn't had another bag of flour, so North Wind gave the tablecloth. The boy was very happy and he said that magically he is going to get whatever he wants from the tablecloth. But the tablecloth was stolen by the innkeeper. Again the boy went to the North Wind. This time North Wind gave ram to the boy. I told you what is ram. Ram is male sheep. So again the innkeeper hid the ram in the barn. Okay. Again the boy went to the North Wind. This time the North Wind gave stick to the boy and the stick taught lesson to the innkeeper. It bait the innkeeper very badly and at last the innkeeper returned all the 3 gifts to the boy and the boy took the gifts and went home happily, and thereafter the mother and the boy lived happily. So children, I hope the concept is much clear to you all, and let's start with the hard words of the same lesson. So here are 25 hard words. First one, followed. 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 Second one, supper. 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 Third one, ashamed. 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 Fourth, spread. 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 Fifth one, chasing. 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 Seventh one, ordered. 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 Eighth one, magically. 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 Ninth one, innkeeper. 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 10th one, through. Trough. 11th one, quietly. 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 12th one, complained. 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 13th one, watched. 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 14th one, caught. 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 15th one, behind. 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 16th one, lowered. 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 17th one, patted. 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 18th one, dropped. 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 19th one, blamed. 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 20th, tightly. 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 21st one, chased. Chased. 22nd one, screams. 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 23rd one, quickly. 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 24th, realized. 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 And the last one, 25th one, screamed. 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 Okay children, this is all 25 words. You write it 5 times in your rough book and try to learn it. Okay, this is all for today. See you on Monday with new video. Till then, goodbye.